Hello everyone, welcome back to Newton Gate Academy where we make your dreams come true. I am Arunima ma'am and today I am again back with another video of Python strings. So without any waste of time, let's get started. Today we'll discuss about Python strings. So what are strings? Strings are nothing but a sequence of characters, within double quotes or single quotes. So here there is an example of how do we write Python string. We give a variable for the string to be stored in it. In the variable we write Newton Gate, that is a string that is a collection of sequence of characters. In this format also we can write in single quotes or in double quotes as well. Strings are immutable, that is they cannot be changed. And each character in a string will have its unique position. Also we can call that as index. Position or index starts from 0 and ends up to the length of the. We consider this as our example and let's write the position numbers for each character in Newton Gate. So here we can see that it starts from 0, the index starts from 0 and it ends up to length minus 1 of the given string. So here we can see that n, the position of n is 0 followed by e, position number 1 and it goes up to e, which is position number 9. But the length of the string Newton Gate is 10. I think I made the indexing clear to all of you. This is all about the user input technique. This is where the user will provide his or her desired string in the program. Now let's check out the syntax. First we will have to give a string variable name and then input is the keyword to take input from the user. And then in the first bracket we will write enter a string. That will be helping the system to understand that now we have to enter a string with the help of the input keyword, and enter a string message will help the user to understand that now he or she have to input their desired string in the program. Now let's move into our next topic, that is looping through strings. Now as I said that we will move into strings, we will move into looping through strings. This is my first example, how do we do looping through strings. So here, see, first I have taken a string. I have stored the string in the variable name. So name equal to, this is my string computer. I already told you how to declare a string. Then for ch in name. Ch, this ch is my variable which helps us to search in the entire string. So this is my desired output. Because I have given here n equals to and space, so after every character it will give a space. See, after every character there is space and the next character is printed in the next line. So is it clear all of you? If you have any doubts anywhere, do comment down in the comment section. We will now look into a program which says how to reverse a string in Python. So at first what we have to do, we have to declare our string and store some values in it. And here we are taking user input. So already you know how to write that line. Next, I have given a print statement which says the string, that is this str, in reverse order is. This will just be displaying this line in the output terminal. I will show you everything. The output is already written here. Next, what I am doing before finding the length. How to find the length? That is len. len and this is the this is the length finding function which finds the length of the desired string. This is how we need to find our length of the string. As we do not know the string, what the string will be, because it's completely a user input string, so we do not know what the string is going to be. So we are taking that particular string as input. So we have to find out the length of a particular unknown string in this format. Alright. Next, again our loop. So it starts from -1. Why -1? I did not tell you about the negative indexing. Suppose this is my string, okay? Suppose this is how we describe our negative indexing. This is our positive indexing, as I already told you before. Here I have written it from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The length is 8 and it's coming length minus 1. As I already told you that the index is length minus 1. And here 0 cannot be negative, so at the end we are starting from -1 and it's going up to length minus length and -1. Because it's length -1, so what we are writing here is -1 and then minus of length -1. Okay, and then here it's -1. This is my start value. This is my stop value. And this is my step value. So start value, stop value or step value. These three things are very important for looping in any kind of Python programs. So we have to write the start value, that is -1 in this case, because we want to reverse our string. The program says reversing a string. The program says we need to reverse our string. So as we have to reverse our string, then we have to give it from -1. Then we have to go up to length. Length -1 means up to -8 and it will be reduced by -1. So -1 and -1 means -2. Then again -1 means -3 and like this it goes on up to -8 and when it reaches the end, see str of a I am printing because this is kind of an array which is being shown here, like that is why we are giving it like this. And let's check how our output looks like. So at the beginning enter a string, I am giving as computer, the string computer. The string computer in reverse order is this RETUPLOC. So this program is clear to everybody. Let's move into the next topic. Next topic is string operators. There are two kinds of string operators. One is the plus sign. That particular operator helps us to concatenate or join two strings. Another one is the asterisk symbol. The asterisk symbol is used to replicate the string. Suppose the example is 5 asterisk and then we give a character @ That means the output will be the @ symbol will be printed 5 times. Okay, that's something like just multiplication. Next topic is membership operator in string. There are two types of membership operator in string. One is in, another is not in. Both the in and not in operators returns the boolean value, that is true or false. Both of them checks whether a particular character is in the string or not. You can see the examples over here. The next topic is string comparison. Compare strings using equal to operator here, and we can compare strings with the help of using equal to operator or greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to operators as well. String comparison operator returns boolean values, that is true or false. Next, how do we get ordinal or Unicode values? That we write ORD alt and then in the brackets we give A. If we give A, then the value 65 will be returned. That is the ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange value of particular character capital A, that is 65. For the Unicode characters, for the Unicode values, you just write CHAR and then we give the character number of the characters we want to get. Suppose we enter 97, so CHAR 97 we get as small a. You can see it over here. Our next topic is string slicing. So, in this particular topic, we will learn how to slice or segmentize particular strings into parts. Okay. So here you can see in the screen that there is a particular string given. Index or positions are mentioned, and as well as its length. So just go through it, and the first word where 0 up to 14, 0 is to 14 is given. The whole thing gets printed. 0 and 3, then you see that the first index remains as it is, but the last index, that is which is after the colon, it's 3, so it will be returning as 0 and 2. Okay, initial index, colon, last index minus 1. That's how slicing is being done. So initial index, colon, final index minus 1. That is how we do the slicing. Our next topic is string functions, and there are few functions mentioned here, and all the descriptions of the functions are also given beside them. So we have reached at the end of our video for today. At the end, I will be attaching an assignment for all of you. Do that, and if you face any kind of difficulty, do comment down in the comment section. And if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and comment down how you liked it. Any kind of queries you have, you can comment it down in our comment section.